Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing my videos or my face, my name is Jay Goldfinger, and today I have a hotel room tour. I am staying at Secrets The Vine in Cancun. It's a 5-star hotel. It's very luxurious. Me and my husband got the Honeymoon Suite. This is our second year staying here. Last year we got the preferred junior suite that came with the butler, but this year we went with the non-preferred just to have a little bit more privacy. It is an ocean view / city view hotel room, and I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. The entrance is here. All right, there's my husband's bag, and here's the first closet. Okay, apologize for the mess. This is obviously my husband's side, but it's very big. It has 2 drawers at the bottom. On the other side is my side. It has 2 robes and some Secrets The Vine slippers, which I love. There's a light. As soon as you open, there's my luggage. And here is an overview. Yeah, as you could tell, I'm a lot more organized than my husband. And I like that there's a light that just turns off when you close it. Alright, moving on. So I'm gonna walk backwards. There's this nice painting that I really like. And we have 2 sinks. Again, this is our second night here, so it's a little lived in already. I love it. It comes with this LED light mirror, so I was able to get right. Here's the shower. Flip the camera so you guys get to see. What's really cool about this is that this honeymoon suite has 2 shower heads. Alright, let's move over. And here's what you came for. Love this bed. It's a big bed. We have this little iPad thing where we could see everything. There's a home, hotel, dining. So we know where to stay, what to eat. There's a spa. It's just so nice to have something that's technologically advanced. It has those USB ports, so I'm charging my phone. As you can tell, that's the door. Here's the fridge. It's fully stocked. We got Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Double X, Dos Equis, and a Bud Light. And more storage. Then we have the safe, espresso machine, ice bucket, and there was an extra pillow up here that we're using. There's this TV that goes up and down, a couch, my Buc-ee's hat, shout out to Buc-ee's, and then there's a sink. Oh, I was gonna show you the sunset, but there's a giant cloud covering it right now, so we're gonna come back to that. I had to change the lighting on my camera. Let's go outside. And here's the preferred club pool. It's like an infinity pool. It looks over the edge. And we're gonna wait for the sunset. Right now it's not available because there's a giant cloud. Hopefully it goes away. If not, I'll insert a picture. Maybe I'll just insert a video of the sunset. It still looks pretty, if you ask me. I absolutely love being here when in New York it's like 30 degrees. I don't want to be there. This is where I want to be. Let me flip over the camera and give you a view. We just like having a bigger room because we like to lounge in it. We actually try to use the room. It's not like something where we're going to be at the beach all day or be at the pool all day. Yes, we are in the day, but at night we want to unwind right before dinner, and we like space. Just a room of emptiness, very minimalistic. That helps us unwind. That's where me and my husband are the same at. We need space and simple and minimalistic, but I love this suite. It is really nice. I will put my video of my room tour for the junior suite in the bio, so check that out. Here's a walkthrough, just a final walkthrough. Yeah. I love it, and it's really good lighting. That's why another reason I wanted to stay here, because when I was filming videos last year, they all came out super nice. Yeah, and you want to hear something funny? Yeah, I thought this was a croissant, but it's actually a shell. Why are there all these croissants everywhere? Clearly not thinking. But yeah, this is a seashell. There's these little seashells. And this is Secrets The Vine, the Honeymoon Suite. It is not the preferred club. It's just the regular. And I think the only difference with the preferred club is that you get a butler, you get your own like bar, like a room, and you get access to the preferred club pool, which is an infinity pool. We didn't really use it last year, so we decided not to get it this year. Let me go. I'm gonna go get ready for dinner. Thank you guys for watching this room tour. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for more content. Bye.